What's the meaning of boomtown? Boomtown. Boomtown.
Boomtown. Boomtown. The term boomtown refers to a town or city that experiences sudden and rapid growth, often due to a new industry, resource, or economic opportunity. The result of such growth can be both positive and negative. On the one hand, boomtowns can bring newfound wealth, employment opportunities, and infrastructure development. However, if the growth is not well planned, it can also lead to overcrowding, strain on resources, and environmental degradation. Additionally, if the industry or resource that caused the boom eventually declines or disappears, the town may struggle to sustain its economy and retain residents.